guys, welcome to another video, but this video is a little bit different because I'm going to be performing a demo session for you, which I'm going to teach daily routines to beginner students. So make sure to pay close attention to what I do and what I say. And if you have any questions, make sure to comment them down below. I will check them out because I don't have any students over here. I'm just going to act like there are some students here. So let's do it. Hey guys, how you doing? Fine, thank you. Okay, I'm doing well. I'm doing well. Look here. I'm doing well. I'm fine or I'm doing well. And how about this one? I'm not doing well. Fatima, how are you? No. Again, how are you? Excellent. What about you, Ali? How are you? You're not doing well? Oh my God. And how about Stella? You're doing well. Excellent. So let's make Ali feel good. Stand up. Get up, get up, get up. Stand up. Let's do some exercises. Okay, let's do some exercises. Up, down, up, down, up, down. Do you want to play a game? Do you want to play a game? A quick game, 5-minute game, okay? I'm going to say, stand up. You need to sit down, sit down, sit down, stand up. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3. Stand up. Stand up. Sit down. Okay, yeah. And you're going to do it for only 5 minutes because it's a warm-up. Okay, guys, now sit down. Look here. Today I woke up at 9 in the morning. I woke up at 9 in the morning. What about you? What time do you get up in the morning? No? Raise your hand. Did you forget classroom rules? Classroom rules. Raise your hand. Okay. Sarah. Okay, tell me. What time do you wake up in the morning? You wake up at 7? That's early, isn't it? That's early. Okay, wait a second. 7 is early. Is 7 early? Yes, it is. What about 11? Is it early? Is it? No, it's late. It's late. So you wake up in the morning at 7. Okay. What about you? You wake up at 9. Excellent. That's a good one. That's again early. Okay, so when I wake up in the morning, the first thing I do is to, what is this? Can you guess? What is this? Toothbrush. So I use my toothbrush to brush my teeth, right? I use my toothbrush to brush my teeth in the morning, right? And what do you do in the morning after brushing your teeth? You eat breakfast. Excellent. Do we eat breakfast every day? Do we eat breakfast every day? Yes, we do. Yeah, yes, we do. And then what do you do before going to school? Yeah, we go to school, but before going to school, we get dressed. We get dressed. At this point, you can show some flashcards or their book or some pictures. You can print out some pictures and show them to the class and tell them, okay, these are the new activities, and introduce them step by step. I'm just going to work on get dressed, for example, to show you the steps like the pronunciation and the repeating and the making sentences. So let's go. For your classes, try to use a better handwriting, like a normal one. Get dressed. Okay, I'm just going to show you quickly, so I'm just going to blah blah. Look at this one. Get dressed. Get dressed. Repeat after me. Get dressed. Derist. No. Derist. We don't have derist. Dress. Dress. Okay, look here. We say D and we stop. D. 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 Dressed. Dress. So getting dressed. Getting dressed. Now let's make sentences. For example, I get dressed at 9:30 in the morning. What about you? What about you? Perfect. Excellent. Now I'm going to draw some activities and you need to guess what it is. Okay, I'm going to draw. For example, can you guess what I do in the morning? I'm making lunch. I'm making lunch. To make lunch. Okay, now it's your turn, Ali. Come here and draw something. Perfect. Okay, now your turn. Excellent. Now open your notebooks. Open your notebooks. I want you to write 5 sentences. 5 sentences about your daily routine. What do you do in the morning? What do you do in the evening? What do you do at night? Write them. Write 5 sentences. You can now do this activity in different ways, like you can give them 2 minutes and ask volunteers to read their sentences, or you can tell them to give the sentences, the 5 sentences, to the next student and they check their grammar, each other's sentences. As we know, we have another part named semi-practice, which we're going to practice more exercises to make sure they learned everything we told them in that session. So for this part, we can share some worksheets, or we can do the exercises in their book. There are some, small exercises in their book, or there are some useful exercises in their workbook. Okay, what is wrong with me? We can use those exercises for this part. And at the end of your class, you're going to give them homework. Make sure to please do not give them a lot of homework to do, and don't make them tired from learning and from doing, from homework, everything. So make sure to give them, for example, a short homework like write about your daily routine in 1 paper. And if they're older, ask them to make sentences, or ask them to, write some questions and answer the questions based on their book. Yeah. Okay, so thanks for watching, and please tell me, how did you like this video, and should I continue making videos like this? What can be the topic for the next video? What should I teach next? So I'm waiting for your comments. Bye.